Are you confused about how to change your profile picture on WhatsApp? Well, if you are, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you all easy step-by-step process on how to change your profile picture on WhatsApp. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing here we're going to do is open our WhatsApp. Here, right after opening our WhatsApp, we'll be welcomed in the chat space. On the top, you'll be able to see a camera icon, a search icon, and 3 dots. Here, you'll have to tap on the 3 dots. After tapping on the 3 dots, here you'll be able to see new groups, new broadcasts, linked devices, and many more. On the very end, you'll be able to see option settings. Tap on it. Here, after tapping on settings, here you'll be able to see your profile name, and below that you'll be able to see account privacy, chats, and many more. Here you'll have to tap on your profile name. Here, as you can see, after tapping on your profile, you'll be able to see your profile picture that you have set currently, and below that you'll be able to see your name and your information and your phone number. Here you'll have to tap on your profile picture. After tapping on your profile picture, on the top you'll be able to see edit option. Tap on it. Here you'll get 3 options that are camera, gallery, and avatar. You can choose either of them. Here I will be choosing a picture from my gallery. Here, after tapping on gallery, you'll be able to see all the options that you have. Choose your preferred profile picture. After that, you can adjust your profile picture to your liking, and you'll have to tap on done. Here, as you can see, your profile photo has been updated. Go back, and once again here you'll be able to see your profile picture being updated. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.